Now we're going to just revisit each stroke that we covered. We have effleurage, we have compression, we have passive touch, friction, and tapotement. So combining all of those strokes in with a variety for the horse, you can mix and match and do what you want to in each section of that horse. So for example, the back, we can add in and do some effleurage. Okay, do a couple strokes to get them to relax. And then we can go right into some compression. So as you're starting to learn all these different strokes, now we're going to just show you how we can combine them to make it per section of the horse. The back is the most common sore area, so we're gonna start here, and then we're gonna go to the neck and the hindquarters. So with the back, we can do some effleurage, kind of combine that in. I can go deeper with my effleurage and then switch right to my compression if I want to. So it doesn't have to be so exact with this. You want to make sure that you are listening to the horse, to whatever they're accepting. Because if they don't like the friction or the tapotement, you want to be able to adjust and change either your pressures or what stroke that you're using. Some horses, they have favorites. Here's some compression. She's doing great. Happily eating her hay. Not caring so much about my pressures. Sometimes they need a distraction. If I needed to change now my compression, I can go into friction. And as I do this, I'm keep moving so that I'm not just in one area for too long. If you are massaging an area and you continue to do all the strokes in this little section, you're actually going to make them more sore than continuing on into that whole muscle group. Into the intercostals here, we haven't done a ton of stuff with the rib cage. Horses typically aren't very sore in the ribs unless they're having some breathing issues like heaves, or if they've been kicked a lot. But only effleurage over these rib cage. And you can change your pressures with the effleurage, but you can come through here and just do nice effleurage with the ribs. You can hand over hand or just one and work into those ribs. So now we have nice and soft and springy muscles. So when we started, we couldn't get that nice little bounce and spring back. Now we can. So as she's engaging and feeling what she feels like in her body, she's going to be moving and checking that out. If you do hear some little cracks, it's just their body adjusting themselves to those muscles relaxing.
If you liked this video and you want to see more, make sure to subscribe below and don't forget to hit the notification button.